We're at the very start of the process. The car came in, you can see it's a little dirty. It's all right. We're gonna go through a complete wash cycle here. So we're gonna get the foam cannon out. We're gonna foam it all up, foam dwell on it, rinse the foam off. We're gonna get all the big smushy stuff off there that's along the bottom. Customers here, we identified some areas of concern that he has. So we'll take a look at those for the client. There was a dent in the back here, PDR, paintless dent repair. We do not do paintless dent repair, but we recommend it to an excellent shop. So we got them all taken care of. After the foam cannon, we're gonna rinse it off really good. We're gonna jump into the iron decon process. We'll probably go to that, I'm guessing at least twice, if not 3 times on it. Then we'll do the contact 2-bucket method wash over here. Probably do clay bar an entire vehicle on this, where it's gonna get full polish since we're doing paint protection film on it. Here, let's get going.